We got a nice uptrend there with a pump here, and things were looking good. And you can see how aggressive the stochastics are looking here on the 15-minute, So, watch the 15-minute Stokes are pointing up aggressively. That's what I was really looking at. And then, boom, we would get a follow through only to get kind of snubbed for a second. All right, so this would come back down, and then a rocket shot to the upside. So, and now we're back here at 85.5. So potential for continuation of a pump here to the upside. So there you go, baby. And that's a beautiful trade. Shout out to everyone that said I was going to win the trade. You people are awesome. Thank you so much for the love. And wow, 638 people, 17% said no. Well, boo-hoo to you. Looks like you don't know what a green candle is because we just took profits at the top, baby. And I'll see you in Honolulu. 1 hour is now very far away for the 21-day moving average. You would expect a nasty move back down. That looks unsustainable at this point unless we're going to kind of continue up like this and pull the 21 with us, unless it's one of these monster moves like this. Even then, it looks like we could wait for consolidation. Wow, though, it's very bullish. There's a lot of bullishness in the air, and I gotta be honest, like that's almost just like a bearish retest of this what would be a bear flag. You got back inside the flag, you lost it again, and now you're just back on track for the flag to continue where it was going. Bearish retest. That's a classic bearish retest. The measured move takes you either to this double bottom at 78.5 or all the way down to about 73,000. But wow, gold getting the huge spike up to the upside with people just uneasy again with the tariff situation, putting people running back into gold. What you would do is you would just trade this flag. So this flag broke out, they broke it down. It's how you trade broken patterns. And they broke it out, but they broke this inside. So now you just would literally get into the trade with a stop below the wick. This is how you would trade gold. And you just, put a stop below like one of these two wicks here, 2.91 risk reward ratio, and you take gold up to 32.08.
You kind of have a shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder vibe into this. Even had shoulder, head, right shoulder vibes, and almost you could say shoulder, shoulder, head, shoulder, right? Like some complex heading. I'm seeing some bearishness. I don't like to, but that's bearish to me. I've told everyone we're in a bull market until we break this low. That would be the end of the trend. We would then make some type of shoulders, and it would be shoulders, head, right shoulder, and that we would probably have to be bailing that. Again, until that happens, I am still bullish. Looks like a complex head and shoulder on the daily. That's just what I see happening for Bitcoin. It wants to dump 77,700. I mean, that looks nasty. On top of it, it looks like a descending triangle. Maybe it reverses out of nowhere, but I just don't see it. Right now, it looks bearish as heck to me. So many people did things when no one said they could. They laughed at them. Their dreams were, the population thought it was insane what they used to tell, but they did it anyway. And that's the type of people I'm chasing. That's the type of legacy I'm chasing. Those are the type of stories I'm reading, baby. That's what gets me going. The crypto billions of the world, baby. Let's go!